Hello my friends, how are you today? Welcome back to my channel if you're new. My name is Ina Pandora and welcome to the fam. Today we are going to be swatching gel nail polishes. Same is from Beetles, guys. It comes in like that. I personally like to keep them in the box, but at the same time, I know eventually I'm going to get rid of the box, but I like the fact that it has that foam so you can keep it in your drawer and be more organized. I'm gonna show you how Neon looks on matte coat and also on shiny coat. All right, we're gonna open it up and we're gonna apply 2 coats of each as well. This way you guys see what is what, who is who, and so on. All right, so the first color is going to be 280. Do 2 at a time. Take a look at this, guys. I don't even know if you can tell in... Oh, this is so bright. So pretty and so bright. The next color is going to be this lime color. Like yellowish lime. And we're gonna do 2 because I want to show you how it's looking. Oh, this lime is bright, baby. You can't find the price. The price point is gorgeous as well. All right, guys, the next one is going to be 282. It's this blue color. Beautiful blue. Now the blue will need 2 coats for sure. It's a little more sheer, but it's such a beautiful color. Just gorgeous. And it's not streaky either, so I love that. There we go. We're gonna add another one because we are going to, I'm gonna show you first, we're gonna do 2 coats on all of them so you can see how it looks like with more coats. Like, as I know, every time I do 2 coats, the color is even brighter. Next color is going to be 279. It's this hot pink. When I say hot pink, this is like a Barbie pink. Very pretty, very, very, very pretty color. Take a look at this pink. Woof. Gorgeous. We're gonna add 1 coat. And with a thin layer, it looks really, really nice. Right? All right, the next one, we're gonna use this purple color. Let me bring it a little closer. I love the fact that they are not streaky. Like, once they settle in, take a look. They're so nice. Keep in mind, they are gel polishes. They will need a lamp to cure. They are not gonna dry on their own. This purple is so gorgeous. Take a look, guys. The last one is going to be this green. This intense green. You can see what I'm doing. Oof, this green is so pretty. Take a look at this. These colors, I didn't cure them yet, guys. This how they look like uncured yet. Beautiful neon colors, very fun. All right, so we are going to cure them for 60 seconds. And then we are gonna do the second coat. This is just 1 coat, you guys. Just 1 coat. Can you tell? They look very bubbly. They look very nice. I do like them a lot. All right, let's do a second coat. All right, so we're gonna cure them for another 60 seconds. This is how it looks like with 2 coats, you guys. So all of these are 2 coats. So now what I'm gonna do is I want to add one of them is going to be matte. So you can see the difference between a matte coat and a glossy. So the same color, but different finish, right? Right now, you're not gonna see the effect is gonna be seen only after I cure them. So I'm going to apply a really quick coat on each second nail. This way you guys will be able to see how the colors are looking when they're matte. And this matte color is from Beetles as well. They actually performed really well. I do love the finish of the matte top coat. All right, we're going to put it on for 30 seconds. Like, take a look. I love the matte effect on these as well. Actually, lately I've been obsessed with the mattes too. So see, like, this is how the color looks on matte and how it's shiny. I don't know, matte nails, like, see, shiny, matte, shiny, matte, shiny matte, and then shiny matte. They look so neat. But these ones glow in the dark as well. But yeah, this is all I got for you today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye, guys.